chilling.
I have a question.
Yep.
Can't unlock my car.
Technically, if I was to eat very spicy food and my ass was to be on fire, can I call fire emergency for that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh. You see, Habibi comes and this happened. This is my job. Hello.
What the f?
Habib Kaboom is in town.
If you had a car, dude, it's gone.
Oh my god, Habib.
Habib has come to
Oh
town.
my days. Who's the car?
Habibi!
Yes. Sorry for exploding all these cars. I didn't mean to.
Habibi,
Yes.
did you want to come with us?
Oh, yeah, I've got my own designated driver tonight.
You have your designated driver?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah,
Even
I
though
apologize
they're
for
hussy.
exploding all these cars. I didn't mean to, even though my last name is Kaboom.
I'm sure it wasn't.